Hey, my name is Otis with Barranco. So a common question we have is why I'm not getting any syrup when I hit the valve. One of the things it could be is you have a bad or stuck solenoid. So to get to your solenoid, you want to first remove your merchandiser. And these valves right here will be your solenoid valves. So to replace those, you'll first find the solenoid that's stuck, which is not working. You want to go ahead and release the valve. You want to first to make sure you have no pressure on the machine. You want to pop that out. Go ahead and disconnect. And then you have a clip in the back. You want to go ahead and release it. Okay, so behind the valve, you have a shutoff. You want to go ahead and turn the shutoff off, which is going straight across. Then you're going to pop the clip and pull out. And you get the new one, you're just going to do it in reverse. You'll pop your new one in, install your clip back. It's a little bit hard to get to. All right, you're going to go ahead and plug your solenoid back in and replace your syrup line. And you want to make sure it's snapped in. And that's how you replace a solenoid valve. Hey, I'm Otis and I'm a Beverage Bro.
I'm Mark, I'm a Beverage Bro. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button.
Right now.